This is M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, we are going to start AMCAT test pattern, Section A, Quantitative Aptitude or Quantitative Ability, paper number 3. Next, Quantitative Ability test pattern, AMCAT test pattern classified into 4 modules. Number 1, Quantitative Aptitude, that is mathematical part. Second module, Logical Ability or Reasoning Ability. Number 3, General English or Verbal Ability. Number 4, Technical Multiple Choice Based Questions, that is called Technical Test. This is about first round. Second round, Coding Test or Technical Interview and followed by HR Interview. About Section A, today topic only Section A, Quant part. Total number of questions in Quant, 16 questions. Time duration 20 minutes. Target section wise cutoff marks applicable. You need to maintain each section 60% and above, then only first round completed. Section wise cutoff marks applicable. No negative marks. Attempt to all questions, whether correct or not, that is no issue. But target, minimum target 60% and above. Next, topics in quantitative ability. General topics in quantitative ability. Mathematical based questions only important to quant part. Logical based questions only important to reasoning ability. Number 1, number system. Number 2, permutations, combinations and probability. These 2 chapters are very important to quantitative ability in AMCAT test pattern. Minimum 6 to 8 questions only. 2 topics in quant, that is properties of number concept, permutations, combinations and probability. Next topics, ratio and proportion application, time, distance and speed application, time and work, profit and loss, inverse method, mensuration, area and perimeter. And simple interest and compound interest, just you prepare only fundamentals of compound interest, that principles only important. But 5-star topics in quant, first one and second one and third one. Remaining topics, no need to practice the examples. Just you practice only concept of the topic, what is what, that is enough to prepare other topics in quantitative ability. Suppose example, time, distance and speed, maximum 1 mark only, quantitative ability, maximum 1 mark. Examples in time, distance and speed, but one of the most important topic and lengthy topic in quantitative ability, time, distance and speed. Total we have 6 subtopics in time, distance and speed. The topics are no need to prepare in AMCAT test pattern. Need only application of the topic. That model only important to AMCAT test pattern. Other models important to TCS, Infosys and other competitive exams, not for AMCAT test pattern. Application means first method, time is equal to distance by speed, and their applications, when time is constant, when distance is constant, when speed is constant, and conversions also important. That models only important to AMCAT test pattern. Similarly, time and work concept analysis. A time and work concept lengthy and complex topic in quantitative ability, but AMCAT examination concentrate only basics in time and work. Basics. A first method using only operator, either plus or minus. Suppose A work 10 days and B work 20 days. Calculate A plus B, A minus B, and so on. Second method, chain rule method, that property important, that is M1 into D1 into T1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2. The relation only important to AMCAT test pattern. Next, another topic, profit and loss also important. In profit and loss, we have two methods. First method, general concept, using selling price, cost price, find profit and loss concept. Second model, discount based questions only important to AMCAT test pattern. The remaining topics are very easy. The topics are depending only simplifications, either using algebraic equations or using linear equations. This is about a quant syllabus in AMCAT test pattern. In next, sample questions in AMCAT test pattern, paper 3. Paper 3 examples. Number 1. Find the value of P which satisfies the relation log P minus 1 base 2 plus 2 is equal to log 3P plus 1 base 2. Calculate P value. This topic belongs to logarithm, means number system topic, means properties of numbers. If properties of numbers subtopics, number 1, number of zeros concept, number 2, unit digit or last digit, number 3, remainder concept, number 4, LCM and HCF, number 5, simplifications, means divisibility rule, and series concept, arithmetic progression, find nth term, and geometric progression also. And last topic, logarithm topic. These all subtopics are belongs to number system. But first example, logarithm topic. Logarithm topic apply only basic rules, that is basic principles. Log AB, log A by B, log A power M, log A base A. That principles only important to logarithm topic. By using these principles in AMCAT test pattern, 1 mark. A first example method. A log P minus 1 base 2 plus 2 is equal to log 2 3P plus 1. Comparison of LHS and RHS, calculate only P variable. Option A 1, B 3, C 5, D 7. Method. A 2 is also written as, by using principle of logarithm, log 4 base 2, this value is equal to 2. It 4 means 2 to the power of 2. Log A power M, M into log A base A. But 2 into log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 is also written as log 4 base 2. In next method, apply log A plus log B principle. In log A, P minus 1 base 2. Next log B, log 4 base 2. Next RHS is equal to log 3P plus 1 base 2. Next apply principle of log A plus log B. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. This is called log AB, where A is equal to P minus 1 and B is equal to 4. Base 2 is equal to log 3P plus 1 base 2. In log 2 get cancelled, comparison. Here next P minus 1 into 4 is equal to 3P plus 1. Next 4P minus 4 is equal to 3p plus 1, then p is equal to 5. Then option C only correct. This is about logarithm topic principle. This is a general method. Second method, by using option substitution method. Option A, suppose p is equal to 1. Next second method, option verification. When LHS is equal to RHS, that option only correct. Suppose option A, verify the answer. If p is equal to 1, log 0, 2 is equal to log 1. That is not LHS, not equal to RHS. Suppose similarly, p is equal to 3 and p is equal to 5. When p is equal to 5, log 4 base 2 plus 2 is equal to log 16 base 2. Next, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Log 16 means 2 to the power of 4. If 4 is equal to 4, that option only correct. This is about option verification method without using formula. If two methods applicable, equation type of questions are given, either apply general procedure of the topic, or second method, apply option verifications one by one. Substitute options one by one. Which option indicate LHS is equal to RHS? That option only correct. This is about first example. In next second example, number 2. A total profit of rupees 36,000 is to be distributed among Rajesh, Salesh and Rajiv such that Rajesh is to Salesh is equal to 5:4 and Salesh is to Rajiv is equal to 8:9. What is the share of Rajiv? Option A 12,000, B 15,000, C 10,000, D 20,000. This problem belongs to partners business, either sleeping partners or working partners. But partnership method, find the A share or B share. Share is nothing but profit. A profit formula, profit is equal to investment into time is called profit. The topic depending only one principle, in a business purpose applicable only one condition, that condition profit is equal to investment into time. Investment is also called capital. Capital means investment. But this example, total profit 36,000, but investments are not given, time not given, but relation only ratio. Here calculate A is to B is to C. Total profit 36,000, calculate A share, B share, C share. That model only important. That is the concept of this example. You find the first statement, Rajesh is to Salesh means R is to S is equal to 5:4. Similarly, Salesh is to Rajiv is equal to 8:9. Next, using two ratios, R is to S, S is to R, but Salesh person common, that is the constant person. That number convert into a fixed, means suppose a ratio 1 multiplied by 2, then ratio 10 is to 8, 5:4 also written as 10:8. Then Rajesh is to Salesh is equal to 10:8 and Salesh is to Rajiv is equal to 8:9. Then Salesh, the term is equal to constant, write A is to B is to C, then Rajesh is to Salesh is to Rajiv is equal to 10:8:9. This is the ratio. But total amount to 36,000 given. Calculate Rajiv share. But Rajiv share is equal to 9. Denominator total number of parts. 10 plus 8 plus 9. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 9 by 27. 9 by 27 into 36,000. This is called Rajiv share. A remaining part only simplification. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 3. 3 into 12, then Rajiv share is equal to 12,000. Option A only correct. This is the method. Similarly, calculate Saleh's share or profit or loss, but principles say his Saleh's is equal to 8 by 27 into 36,000 and so on. This is about a partnership topic procedure. But partnership topic method, a profit is equal to investment into time. Next, A profit is to B profit. A investment into time is to B investment into time. When time is constant, investment ratio is equal to profit ratio. When time condition not given, when time is constant, then investment amount is equal to profit amount. This is about partnership topic method. Next, example number 3. LCM and HCF concept. LCM means least common multiple. HCF means highest common factor. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 2970 and 30 respectively. Prime factors of the product of two numbers. Consider only prime factors. What is prime? Exactly two factors is called prime number, one and itself. Composite number, not a prime, is called composite number. Composite number means more than two factors is called composite number. More than two factors, exactly two factors, but one is not a prime. One means only one factor. Exactly two factors is called prime. More than two factors called composite. But calculate only prime factors. First by using option verification. But 4 is not a prime number. Option C is not correct. In next, LCM and HCF convert into a prime factors. First one, HCF means convert into a prime factors means 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. But 2, 3, 5 is a common prime factor. But option B, 5 is not available. Option C, 5, option D, 5 is not available. 5 available only option A, only correct. This is called option verification method. General method, HCF 30, 2 into 3 into 5. Next, similarly, LCM 2970 convert into a prime factors. First one 11 into 27, 297, 10, 297 into 10. Next 11 into 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. Next 10 means 2 into 5. Next observation of LCM and HCF. 2 is a common. 2 prime factor, 3 prime factor, 5 prime factor. 2, 3, 5, 11. 2, 3, 5, 11 means option A only correct. This is the method. Option verification. C not correct. We want prime, but 4 is not prime. Second, 2, 3, 5 compulsory by LCM and HCF, but 5 is not available. B and D, but B not correct, C not correct, D not correct. Remaining automatically option A. First method general, second option verification. Both methods correct. Next, fourth example, probability topic. A jar contains 5 white, 2 blue, 3 black balls. Find the probability that a ball drawn at random is red or blue. A 4 by 9, B 5 by 9, C 2 by 9, D 1 by 5. Here important only, operator only important. But in probability topic or combination topic, here and indicate one multiplication operator, that is called one solution. Red and blue, that is called multiplication operator. Second, or indicate union. This is important, not to plus. That is depends upon the given statement, but generally and means multiplication, that is only one solution. Or means union, that is separated solution. A union principle, A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. If common part is equal to 0 or indicate plus operator. This method only important to this example. But this example or means union. Check the common part of red and blue. there is no common color between red and blue, then or indicate plus because common part is equal to 0. Suppose another example. If both king are red color, suppose cards concept, 2 cards are drawn it from a pack of 52 cards. 2 cards drawn it randomly. Find the probability that both are king or are red color. But or means not equal to plus that problem because king and red common cards available. 4 king cards, 2 red color, 2 black color, common cards available, then are not equal to plus. Or means union. That problem applicable only union. But this problem applicable only addition because check the common part, red and blue, there is no common color, then or indicate to plus operator. But here or means plus operator, total red, 5. If there is no red color now, I think mistake. Consider 5 white, 3 red color, but methodology only important. Here 3 plus 2 5 by total 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 10. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. That option not given, 1 by 2 only correct. This is the method now. But red or blue, but red condition not given, none of the that is not possible. But I think this is the mistake problem. But colors compulsory. Suppose if you consider 3 red balls, then answer 3 plus 2 by 10. A 3C1 plus 2C1 by 10C1. A probability is equal to N of E by N of S. N of E indicate number of events, that is favorable outcomes. N of S means total number of selections or total number of arrangements. Indirectly, S indicates sample space. All possible outcomes is called sample space. But method only important. That method either using plus operator or using multiplication operator. That is only important to this example. Next, number 5. A combination principle means selections apply only combination. Arrangement to apply only permutation principle. Example. In an examination, a candidate is required to answer 5 questions in all from 2 sections having 5 questions. In first section 5 questions and second section 5 questions. But attempt 5 questions compulsory. What are the total number of ways which a candidate select the questions, provided that at least 2 questions are to be attempted from each section. Minimum attempt from each section 2 questions. At least means minimum. That is increasing order. At most means maximum. That is decreasing order. A 200, B 20, C 100, D 10. A first section A total number of questions 5. First minimum attempted 2 questions. A from section A 2 questions. Remaining questions section B, that is 5C2 into 5C3. Next first section 3 questions. Remaining 2 questions, that is called 5C2. But at least means 2 and 3 only, 4 is not possible. If 5C1 into 5C4, that method not possible because minimum attempt 2 questions. At least 2 questions, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But 4 it is not applicable. 3 and 2 only applicable. 5C2 into 5C3 plus 5C2 into 5C3 is equal to 2 into 5C2 into 5C3. Now apply combination principle, that is NCR is equal to n factorial divisible by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Next 2 into 5C2 means 5 factorial divisible by 3 factorial. 5C3 means 5 factorial divisible by 2 factorial. And next 2 into 5 into 4. 5 into 4 by 5 into r factorial means 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, right. 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 divisible by a 6 into 2. Similarly, into 5 factorial divisible by 4 is equal to 200. Option A only correct. Remaining part only simplification. Here important only, at least and at most only important to this example. Next, to apply combination principle. Combination means selections. Apply NCR concept. Permutation nothing but arrangement using formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divisible by n minus r factorial. Difference between permutation and combination. Permutation is nothing but repetitions are allowed is called permutation. Repetitions are not allowed is called combination. Suppose consider AB, BA. AB, BA, if reverse the problem, both are different is called permutation, both are same is called combination. AB, BA, both are exist is called permutation. AB is equal to BA, anyone exist is called combination. This is about permutations, combinations and probability. A probability also important, N of A by N of S, previous problem using only probability condition. Next, example number 6. The area and perimeter concept. A rectangle length is 4 times its breadth. It has an area of 2500 square yards. What is the length of the rectangle? A 25 yards, B 100, C 625, D 5. But area and perimeter. A chapter name mensuration. Yet two subtopics in mensuration. Number 1, area and perimeter 2D figures concept, and second, volume and surface area, that is 3D figures concept. But AMCAT purpose important only 2D but not 3D. 3D figures important only advanced based examination. The topic only important but not 2D based. 2D based only important. AMCAT co-cube based examination only important. A 2D based questions, only two methods applicable. Either calculate area or calculate perimeter or circumference. But this example, rectangle condition, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Using that condition, calculate length and breadth values. A method, area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, but length is equal to 4 times of breadth. L is equal to 4B. Let B is equal to 4, L is equal to 4x. Next formula, area is equal to L into B, that is 2500 is equal to 4x into x. X square is equal to 625, x is equal to 25. But x plus 25 minus 25. But mensuration means that is the result only positive. Negative does not exist. Then consider only positive. Then length of the rectangle, x is called breadth, but calculate only length is equal to 4x. 4 into 25 is equal to 100. Option B only correct. Here important only formulas. A rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. And next, diagonal is equal to root of L square plus B square. And perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides is called perimeter. A 2L 2B, 4 sides, 2L 2B, a 2 into L plus B. Similarly, square concept, all sides are equal, each angle 90 degrees. Area of a square is equal to A into A. Length is equal to A because all sides are equal. Length is equal to breadth. A into A is equal to A square. Diagonal is equal to root of L square plus B square. L is equal to A, B is equal to A. Then root of A square plus B square is equal to root 2 into A. Next, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. L is equal to A, B is equal to A, then length, then perimeter is equal to 4 into A. Similarly, a trapezium concept, parallelogram concept, rhombus concept, these all are very important to 2D figures. And also circle concept, circle and sector. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square, or indicate radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Next important sector concept important. A part of the circle is called sector. Part of the circle is called sector. Area of a sector is equal to a theta by 360 into pi r square. Length of arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. These principles only important to 2D figures or area and perimeter concept. A method: first given problem, convert into a diagram. Next, to apply the suitable formula, that is the method of mensuration topic. Here important to only diagram only important. That methodology only important to area and perimeter topic. Next, 7th example. Reena has 246 plants to plant. What maximum number of rows can she plant so that each row contains equal number of plants and there is no extra plant left? A2, B3, C6, D8. Method: there is no extra plant means remainder is equal to 0. There is no extra plant left. Left indicate remainder is equal to 0. Remainder means remaining is equal to 0. Substitution verification. Substitution method, option verification method. A total number of plants is equal to 246. Option A, 246 divisible by 2. Remainder is equal to 0. Here consider only remainder is equal to 0 options. But A, 2 possible, that is exactly divisible. But B also possible. 246 again exactly divisible by 3. C also possible. 246 exactly divisible by 6. But not 8. 246 is not divisible by 8. But your question is 2 correct, 3 correct and 6 correct. Your problem is what maximum number? But 236 maximum number only 6. Option C only correct. This is the method. Without consider any variable, by using option verification, what is the least or what is the maximum? Least indicate to apply Elysium concept. Maximum or highest consider only HCF. But 236 maximum value is equal to 6. That option only correct. Just you apply only LCM and HCF concept. That is the application. Next, 8th one. Every year before the festive season, a shopkeeper increases the price of the products by 35% and then introduce two successive discounts of 10% and 15% respectively. What is percentage loss or gain? This is belongs to profit and loss concept, but two discounts are given. Apply discount principle. Discounts always applicable only marked price, that is called MRP, also called label price or list price. A 3.75 loss, B 3.27 gain, C 8.875 loss, D 8.875 gain, E no profit and no loss. Method: here cost price not given. Assumption: cost price is equal to 100. Always consider only 100. That is called cost price. Next, find MRP. MRP means increases means plus operator, decreases means minus operator, but 35% increase, 35% of 100 is equal to 35, then MRP is equal to 135. Next, the relation between MRP selling price and two discounts is relation. MRP is next selling price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100 into 100 minus D2 by 100, where D1, D2 are called successive discounts. Here MRP is equal to 135, D1 is equal to 10, 90 by 100, D2 is equal to 15, 85 by 100. D1 10% discount and D2 15% discount. Next 135 into 90 by 100 into 85 by 100 is equal to 103.275. This is called selling price. Next, cost price is equal to 100. Selling price is equal to 103.275. Then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 3.275 is called profit. Profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. We want loss or gain percentage. Loss or gain percentage. Here, selling price is more than cost price, that indicate profit or gain. A gain is equal to 3.275. Then gain percentage is equal to gain by cost price into 100. Here gain is equal to 3.275 divisible by 100. Cost price is equal to 100 into 100 is equal to 3.275 percentage. Gain only correct, that is option B only correct. This is the method. A right percentage 3.75 percentage, 3.27, 8.875, 8.875 gain loss percentages. This is called profit and loss concept, but important terminology only. MRP only important. MRP also called label price, market price, maximum retail price or list price. That is called owner amount, shop owner amount. It's not fixed, depends upon the discount. Next, what is the highest power of 5 that contained in 100 factorial? In 100 factorial, calculate total number of 5s. That is called highest power of 5. Next, apply LCM concept. A 200 factorial, this is called factorial. Here 200 factorial, here calculate only number of 5s, then divisible by 5. Consider only quotient but not remainder. 5 into 40, 5 into 8, 5 into 1, remainder is equal to 3. But consider only quotient but not remainder. Remainder indicate 200 convert into a base 5. Conversion method consider only remainder. Count total number of 5s, consider only quotient. That is the difference. By divisibility rule, either quotient or remainder. If we consider quotient, that indicate 200 convert into a base 5. If we consider quotient, that indicate 200 factorial contains total number of 5s. You consider only sum of the quotient, that is 40 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 49. Therefore, in 200 factorial, number of 5s 49. That is highest power of 5 is equal to 5 to the power of 49 is equal to 49. Option B only correct. Suppose similarly, find the largest power of 3 that contained in 200 factorial. Largest power of 3. Then each case is divisible by 3. Consider only quotient but not remainder. Sum of the quotient is equal to total number of 3s. And next example important. Find the largest power of 10 that contained in 200 factorial. Largest power of 10. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. But directly divisible by 10, it is not correct method. Because 10 multiples available, 10 available, 10 multiples available. Then 10 is a composite number. Convert into a prime factors, that is 2 into 5. Find the total number of 2's using LCM method. And also calculate total number of 5's using LCM method. But consider only total number of 10's or largest power of 10 is equal to 2 into whole to the power of something. That power is called largest power of 10. Notation, note. A model, a composite number, the type of questions are given. Always convert into a prime factors. Using prime factors, consider only largest prime number, that is answer of the given example. This is about largest power, highest power, number of zeros concept. This model also important to AMCAT based examination. This topic belongs to only properties of a numbers concept, that is number system. Okay, right. This is about AMCAT paper 3. But level of difficulty very simple. Most of the questions are belongs to only general application of the topic, that is quant part. 50 to 70% of the questions are belongs to logical based questions. 30% of the questions are belongs to only principles. At least you attempt 70% of the questions are belongs to logical, then 100% section A completed. It important only time factor only important, and speed calculations only important. Speed calculations only important. But if you want to AMCAT test pattern, just practice only 9 topics. If you practice 9 topics perfectly, 32 basic to average level, then only quant preparation completed. But quant pattern, in total number of questions 16, time duration only 20 minutes, cutoff marks 60% of 16. That is the cutoff marks. No negative marks. Attempt all questions. This is about AMCAT Quant paper 3. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.